5 a.m. and we're rolling out. We're rolling out. Hopefully gonna grab a couple of birds this morning. Got 2 tags in the pocket. And hopefully gonna be rolling out of the woods here. It's what, 45 degrees-ish right now, so not terrible. It's gonna be pretty rainy all day. See what we can't make happen off the roofs. We got a couple hour break between rain and get a little sun there hopefully and clear up. So we're gonna see what we can't happen. Not. So it's about 10 o'clock right now. We got out of the woods at, what'd you say, 8:30?
Yeah, probably.
Wasn't a whole lot. We busted out one bird. One of the kids we were with this morning just wasn't quite ready for it when we got a bird to hammer off pretty close to us. His head came in and she spooked off. Just saw him moving a little too much. Happens, but we're on the other side of the river now. We're gonna throw out some yelps, maybe some hoots, see if we can't get something to hammer off here and chase it. Probably walk down in there, see what the wash is looking like, if we can cross it in the morning, because there's a bunch of birds gobbling back here this morning. So we're gonna see what that looks like and hope for the best here and see if this is an option tomorrow. Alright folks, well, see, we got it done. Happened really fast, and I know there wasn't a whole lot of context. We're just kind of walking the creek bottom looking for roost sites for tonight, or for tomorrow morning. Just kind of scouting it out tonight. We're going to roost some birds tonight, and we struck up 2 gobblers actually that were with each other. And they're on the other side of the creek, because the creek's literally right there. We're set up 15 yards off the creek, put up a decoy. We got 2 hens to fly across, and then they followed after soon, walked straight into my line of sight, and I know you guys couldn't see much, just the way they took the same way as the hens took. It would have been a lot better shot. I wasn't able to even get the GoPro on, it happened so fast, which is a bummer, but it is what it is. We'll do better tomorrow when the cameraman gets the bird, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, they flew right across the river, dropped down on a little bank. I couldn't see them with the camera, but
got it done though. Beautiful first bird. Like this, my first ever turkey too.
Yeah, this is the first turkey. Been hunting a couple years though.
First turkey for me, and I'm really blessed for it. Praise the Lord for this one. Beautiful bird. Couldn't ask for a better.
see what we can do tomorrow.
See what happens tomorrow morning.
If we do bleeping, we have to do the duck sound.
Yeah. But that was pretty wild. Long walk out of there, probably 2-ish miles, I'd say.
Easily.
We were all like pushed against the river. Long walk in there, but paid off. It got warm fast, let me tell you.
All those layers, dude.
All them layers. It's cold this morning, but we had it figured out. There's one other Tom with that one, and I don't think he really knows what happened. He just ran off and kind of walked off, and we wait for him to walk off a little bit, kind of. And I ran up to the bird pretty quick, but I don't think he really knew what was happening. So we'll probably come back to this general area tonight, see if we can't roost a couple birds, because this is an area we heard 5 birds this morning, and
circled around, got across the river, and
figured out how to get in on them. So we'll see what happens tonight, and we'll see if Colton over here can't get himself a turkey too. 2 public land birds would be pretty sick, especially with how much private we have out here. We did it done on public land, so keep you guys updated on that. Getting her all nice and quartered out here. Got the fan taken off, got part of the wing and beard taken off. I think we're gonna 10.5 inch beard. I think we're gonna breast it out or what?
Honestly, haven't really decided. This is probably the option we're gonna go with.
I think we're gonna go ahead and breast it out. We're no professionals by any means, but we're gonna do our best and not waste the bird.